Hi guys, TRT can sound like a game changer, but there's a lot they don't mention. Stuff you only find out once you're in. I'm gonna share the positive sides of TRT, and I'll also share a link to get some great savings from Fountain TRT, should you decide to try it. TRT was life-changing for me, but it's not for everyone, and I'll explain later why. After I started to use it, I felt better than I had in a long time, and I was even able to sleep better. I even hit the gym more often and didn't feel as tired. I saw the results of my workout within a few months. Of course, getting TRT wasn't easy. After looking at several options, I went with Fountain TRT. They made the whole process easy and fast. Fountain TRT is a telehealth service that provides TRT. It is a simple and convenient way to get TRT from the comfort of your home. All I had to do was fill out their form, get blood work done, and do the online consultation to review and discuss treatment options. They gave me the choice between an injection or cream and shipped it to my home discreetly. I'm very pleased with the results of testosterone treatment and with the Fountain TRT. But I did get some acne and had mood changes, which I wasn't expecting. There are other side effects which thankfully I didn't experience, but I recommend you look into. I love the results I'm getting, how easy it was to get it, and how Fountain TRT is available to answer any concerns or issues I may have. I get my shipment of injections monthly for $99, and for those who rather use cream, it costs $199 monthly. One other problem I had was they don't take insurance, so I had to pay everything out of my pocket. If you're ready to try TRT, don't forget the link below to get those great savings.